Welcome to the Gold Diamond AI Avatar Method. In this first video, we're starting with the foundation, creating the scenes everything else is built on. Hi, I'm Diamond. I'm Dee's AI twin, created to help her teach, share, and deliver content consistently without always being on camera. If you've been asking how Dee creates the avatar videos you see on her social media, this series walks you through the exact system behind them, step by step. This training shows you how to go from nothing to a fully completed animated video using your own avatar twin. You don't need to be technical. You do need to be willing to follow a process. Because there are several steps involved, this training is intentionally split across multiple videos. Each one builds on the last. So by the end, you're not guessing, you're repeating a system. I also want to be transparent up front. Every tool shown in this series is a paid version. That's a choice, not a requirement, but it's what Dee uses to keep results consistent and reliable. Video 1 focuses on creating the scenes you'll animate. Video 2 covers writing your script and creating your voice clone. Video 3 is where we combine the avatar and the voice to produce the video. And video 4 walks through editing, transitions, and finishing elements that bring everything together. All right, let's get into video 1, creating the scenes you'll eventually animate. We're heading over to ChatGPT to create the scenes. You can use other AI tools like Gemini, but the prompts used in this training are written specifically for ChatGPT. If you choose another platform, you may need to make small adjustments. We're creating 5 images that will be used to build 6 scenes. Image 1. A person holding a coffee mug as it appears to come out of a phone screen. The first prompt sets the foundation for all remaining scenes. All of the prompts used in this series are bundled together, and the link to access them is in the video description. Think of this first prompt as your base layer. Inside the prompt, you'll see areas you can customize. For example, it references a black and gold luxury aesthetic. You can change the color palette. You can also adjust what your avatar is wearing. Once you've edited the prompt the way you want, upload a photo of yourself. Make sure your image is attached at the same time you submit the prompt so everything processes together. After a few minutes, your image will generate. This is where you fine-tune, not overhaul. Maybe the hand position feels off. Maybe the shirt color isn't quite right. Just tell ChatGPT what you want changed, and it will make the adjustment. One important tip here, keep changes limited. Too many edits in a row can cause AI to lose visual continuity. If that happens, download the most recent version of the image and re-upload it as the source before continuing. Once your image looks the way you want, download it and save it to your device. Now let's move on to image number 2, stepping out of the phone. This is a rinse and repeat process. The prompt for this scene is included in the same prompt bundle linked in the description, and it includes a continuity lock instruction. Double-check wardrobe, styling, and descriptions so everything stays consistent with your original image. To reduce AI hallucinations, I recommend attaching the first image you created to this prompt. At this stage, you might adjust posture or footwear. Since feet weren't visible in the first scene, this is often where shoes are introduced. Once you're satisfied, download the image and save it. Image 3, looking directly at the camera while holding the mug. By now, the process should feel familiar. Use the next prompt from the bundle, attach the previous image, make any wardrobe or color adjustments, submit, and review. Image 4, working at the computer, same process. Use the next prompt from the bundle, attach the previous image, submit, make small refinements, then download. Final image. sitting in a chair, holding the coffee, and looking directly at the screen. Upload the previous image, use the final prompt from the bundle, make your adjustments, submit, review, and download. That completes all of the images. A few final thoughts. You don't have to follow this exact format. You don't have to use the same activities or backgrounds. If you don't want your avatar working at a computer, maybe you want them standing, walking, or doing something entirely different, you can make those changes. The key is this: use the prompt first, create the image, then adjust what you don't like. ChatGPT can handle several changes before hallucinations start. You can experiment with movement, expressions, posture, curious, confident, relaxed. If you're using a paid version, you'll have plenty of room to explore. Occasionally, you may hit a short pause, but overall, you have flexibility. Have fun with it, make it yours. In the next video, we'll create your script and build your clone voice. Subscribe if this was helpful, save it so you can come back to it, and grab the prompt bundle from the description if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.